Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I wear dresses a lot, but I do not always want to wear high heels. But finding a pair of flats that look dressy enough to wear with fancier dresses can be a challenge. But these by C.Paravano are perfect. They are so comfortable, but they are flats, but they still look so dressy. I love them. I mean, you can't get much cuter than that.
I love the versatility of these, that I can dress them up with long flowy dresses, but I also can just pair them with some skinny jeans or leggings, go grocery shopping, and feels completely put together. They're 100% leather, so they're really high quality and they fit really well. I have wider feet. I don't need a wide width, but sometimes flats, especially pointed toes, are too skinny for my feet, and it was not a problem. Make sure you check sizing because these are European sizes, and so I usually wear about 7.5 or 8, and these are size 38s. I love the different texture on the toe and the bow, and the gold metal on the bow just really puts them over the top.
So if you're in need of a really cute pair of flats that is super stylish, super comfortable, super quality, these by C.Paravano are totally first rate. They are awesome. That's my point of view.